जोरदार ताली सबके द्वारा बजनी चाहिए। एक स्काउट गाइड ताली एक दिन सिखाया गया था आप लोग को। 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 ऐसा ना 3 बार के बाद स्टॉप हो जानी चाहिए। कितनी बार? 3 बार। 1 2 जब तक ले इधर का फॉलो करो। 10 बार। ये पोज हुआ। इसको प्रधानाचार्य राकेश सर कंटिन्यू रखिए 1 महीना तक, तो कुछ सही हो जाएगा। कुछ लोग तैयार हो जाएंगे इसके लिए। इतना ही मुष्टिका प्रहार और छेद, 2 ही चीज, मारना और बचाना। इसके पहले शरीर को गर्म करना आवश्यक है, इसीलिए द्रुत गति जो जल्दी करते हैं कंटिन्यू 5 मिनट तक होनी चाहिए। सामने है, देखने में कितने भोले भाले लगते हैं बेचारे, नहीं बहुत बलशाली थे ये। तो कौन कौन विद्यार्थी भाषण लिख कर लाए थे? हैंड्स अप, कम ऑन, यहाँ आ जाइए। उठना है तुरंत उठकर आ जाइए। आरती क्यों उतारना? देखिए जो बुद्धिमान विद्यार्थी होते हैं उनको पहली बार में समझ में आ जाती है। जो थोड़ा
To all teachers, students are present here. My name is Payal Mahato and I am here to deliver a speech on Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was a great man of India. He was a renowned writer, sant, scholar, thinker and philosopher of contemporary India. He was born on 12 January 1863 in the city of Jai, Calcutta. His original name was Narendra Dutt. His father's name was Vishwanath Dutt. Vishwanath Dutt was a learned man who has profounder knowledge of both the English and Persian. His mother's name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi, who was a pious lady. His guru was Ramakrishna Paramhans and he was founder of Ramakrishna Math. His birthday is celebrated as International Youth Day. He was died on 4th July 1902. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, parents and my all dear friends. My name is Simani Kumari from class 5. Swami Vivekananda, one of the social reformers and spiritual leader. He was
Myself Aditya Singh from class 9. Thank you for giving me a chance to say something about one of the greatest son of our India, Swami Vivekananda. He was born on 12 January 1863 in a holy place of Kolkata. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta and mother's name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi. He was a child full of spiritual full of spiritual leaders, and he also liked the peace and lived silently from his childhood. He also liked the Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. He taught all the good natures from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. He was only the one of the most important leader of our India who help us to know what is the truth or real meaning of peace and success. He taught us what is the importance of peace in our life. His guru name was Ramakrishna Paramhans. He was also an foldable talent in swimming and wrestling. He was an person who did not have any type of illegal works. He was a good habited human, and his guru Ramakrishna Paramhans taught us that the place of guru is bigger than the place of God. One day he went to America for a speech, and when he started his speech by saying that, my dear brothers and sisters, the people who present there start clapping for about 5 minutes. And when he returned back to India, then his name was produced in all over Indians. All Indians wants him as his teacher. All Indians know what is peace and what is truth of success. He said that if you don't try in your life, then you never get success. Thank you very much. Respected principal, vice principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sukhdev Pramanik from class 8. I am going to telling a speech about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 and died on 1902. He was a great follower of Ramakrishna Paramahansa. He was a great follower. Of his birth, his name was Narendranath Dutt, and he led the philosopher Hindu and like Vedanta and yoga in America and Europe. He was born on Simla, Kolkata. Initially he was sent childhood name was Narendranath Dutt, and he was humble background, where his father was Vishwanath Dutt was a lawyer of High Court of Calcutta, and mother Bhubaneswari Devi. When Narendranath Dutt grew up, he got a mixture of qualities of the both mother and father. We know all he is a great social reformer and freedom fighter, were born of our country. Narendranath Dutt, he devoted his entire life for the nation of his country, and Swami Vivekananda has been true gems that India had. He devoted his entire life for service of the nation and helped people for the nation, and call him. In this day we celebrate Yuva Diwas. Thank you.